Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my USAS 12 shotgun. So here it is, right here. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? Please. So here it is. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this. And I'm going to first fold a boat base. So you want to first fold the water bomb base. So first you want to fold it in half. Then you want to fold it in half again, like this. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down. And now you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down, okay? And now you want to fold this thing in half, this triangle. So you want to bring this point right up to this top edge right there, okay? So, and make sure it lines up with the center crease line, okay? So right where the crease line is, okay? And make a crease right here. Okay, then you're going to sink in this triangle. Okay, so you want to unfold that and open up the whole area right here. Then you want to fold up all the crease line on the side. Okay, and now you want to fold down on the center. So you see all these crease lines, so you want to fold down the crease lines. So first you want to start out with this triangle right here. So fold that triangle down. And now fold the other side down the same way. Push that forward. And here it is. Okay, and make sure the longer edge is facing towards you and the shorter edge is in the back side. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now you want to make a crease right in the center, or just at the front portion. Okay, so fold the front portion in half right until the center line right there. Okay, okay, just like that. Then you can unfold right there. And now take the front bottom piece right here. Okay, and you want to fold it right up to the back side, like so. So there's 3 of these pieces in the back and 1 at the front. And now you want to take the bottom piece and fold it all the way down. Okay, like so. So there's gonna be the magazine and the pistol grip. Okay, And now you want to sink in the back portion inside. Okay, so you want to kind of fold this down just a little bit so you can see that triangle right here. And you see the side crease line that we just folded. You want to fold that crease line right up to this line right here, okay, the triangle. So you see that crease line right there. You want to fold that crease line just up to that line, that triangle, and the same thing on this side as well. Okay, so you see that crease line right there. And now you want to fold right across that crease line right there. Oops. That triangle. So right where the ends of those crease lines are. Okay, just like that. And fold down the whole piece like so. And now if you turn to the back side, and if you look right here, you see there's a longer side. This is going to be the front portion, and the shorter side is going to be the back. And if you look right down here, there's this little corner right there. You want to fold that corner right up to this bottom edge right here, okay? So you want to fold this down and make sure that corner lines up with the bottom edge. Then you want to fold this whole thing down like so, okay? And now if you turn to the front of the gun, you see this triangle right here. You want to fold that triangle down like so. Make a crease right here. Then unfold. Then you want to open up the pocket, the back. Then fold that forward. Okay. Like so. And okay, you want to take this top piece right here and fold it right up to the pistol grip right here, okay? So make sure it kind of lines up with the back of the pistol grip right there. So around there. Okay, and now you want to fold this back edge right here to the center line, and also that corner in the same way to the center line, okay? And fold that down. Okay, and fold this back and out like this, and make sure there's a little bit of room underneath. So fold this forward. Like so. And fold the top edge. So you want to fold this whole thing in half. So fold the top edge down just like that. And then you want to fold that tip of the piece down, okay, to make the rest of the carry handle. Okay, then you want to put that that point somewhere in one of these pockets underneath. Okay, and then let me see. So you want to fold this triangle inside, so you see where this corner is. You want to fold this triangle where that corner is. Okay, then you want to unfold, then open up this pocket right here, then fold that right inside. Okay, and you want to zigzag fold right around where the carry handle is. So you want to fold that forward, then back again. And then you want to fold this bottom edge up and fold that corner as well. Okay, fold the bottom edge up, then fold that corner with it as well. Okay, and now you want to fold this back portion, back edge down just a little bit to shape out the stock right here. So it's like that. Then you want to fold just a little bit of the back portion down and kind of square that out. So pinch it to shape, just like that. And now you want to zigzag fold right around where at the end. So you're going to zigzag fold right around here at the end. So just like that. So fold that back, then right around where the magazine is, fold it back forward like so. Okay, and now turn to the back side, and you see that bottom edge, fold that right up about third way up like this. Okay, so width of this column should equal the same width as the one above. Okay, and now you see this triangle right here, and you see that corner. So you want to fold that triangle right where that corner is, right there, and you want to unfold, then open up this pocket right here, then fold that right inside like so. Okay, and now if you look right here, there's that little corner. So this is going to be where the barrel is. So you want to fold right where that barrel, right where that corner is. Okay, right there. Then zigzag fold it back like so, back forward, then fold that top edge down, okay, to form the barrel. Okay, and fold just a little bit of the bottom edge in as well. Okay, and if you look right here, there's that little corner that comes out. You want to fold that back and kind of hide that behind. This is kind of a weird fold right here, but fold that back kind of squish it down. Okay, and this hand carry handle is going to shift around, so make sure you fix that afterward. So yeah, here is my USAS 12. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.